So we're back. This HP motherboard was brought in today by an engineer. It has a power issue. So we diagnosed by checking the power line to see where the issue is coming from. So discovered that there is a failed capacitor that was getting so hot. Then we needed to replace it from a scrap board, and after that the system came back to life. So here we're bridging to see where the heat's generating from, and that will detect the bad and faulty components. So by the end of the day we're able to find where the issue was coming from. So the bad capacitor was detected, and we had to replace it immediately. So here we've replaced the capacitor with another one from and a scrap board, and well placed. So let's check and see if the system will come to life. Okay, see, the power is up, so we'll have to put it back the way it came and return to the engineer that brought it.